Next, list the do's and don'ts of HR consulting. Here are the do's of HR consulting. An HR consultant should collaborate with leaders, participate in management of the business from an HR perspective, influence the organization's agenda with regards to talent implications, provide broker consulting and advisory services, provide an input to the organization to create innovative HR solutions, work with the senior management and HR operations to ensure new programs and processes are effectively communicated and implemented within the business, provide feedback to the senior management about effectiveness of policies, programs, and processes, coach and counsel senior leaders on issues of personal effectiveness, leadership, and team cohesion, participate in the development of leadership and manage the talent pipeline in the global business unit, support culture change initiatives and establish key communication strategies for events that impact people, advise senior leaders and managers on serious employee relation issues and manage the risk effectively. Here are the don'ts of HR consulting. An HR consultant should not manage transactions either for employees or on behalf of managers, manage data within the HRIS other than to view and or generate reports for analysis purposes, involve themselves in more routine employee relation issues, answer routine inquiries from employees or managers about policies, programs, benefits, or processes, recruit other than their involvement in interviewing and evaluating candidates for leadership roles, facilitate training or facilitate new or revised program implementations. Let us now look at the impact of HR consulting on companies. Internal employee reactions or resistance. HR executives can start taking part in operational and strategic decisions, elimination of bureaucracy, improvement of customer service, growth of self-service platform, slimming down of staff, cost savings. Model serves to guide other organizational functions such as IT, accounting, etc. Here's the impact of HR consulting on HR profession. Let's take a look. Internal HR is at a significant disadvantage in cost per transaction. It leads to greater strategic focus, creates a decentralized structure, enhances credibility. Internal politics is eliminated as now the HR consultant is a business partner. There is a move to customer service culture. Develops competencies to remain valuable, leads to the development of new roles, consultant and HR strategist. HR becomes more transparent and more visible as an organizational function, alignment of HR strategy with corporate goals. HR is far more measurable, leads to management and organizational development as they can concentrate on the big picture view. Let's look at HR consulting services. There are various services that an HR consulting firm will provide to its clients. Some of these services are as follows: senior level search, turnkey recruitments, permanent staffing, temporary staffing, contingency hiring for junior to mid-level, retainer based for senior level, contract to permanent, training and development, team lease, reference or background checks, employee assistance or counseling, healthcare benefits administration, pension benefits administration, retirement benefits administration, payroll and software services, employee relocation, incentives, HRIS and web-based services, sourcing consultants and legal services, screening and workplace security, process, project, and systems management. Consultative process. Assess. Ask great questions. Don't accept a quick answer as to what's wrong. Collect and use the data to understand. Get at the root cause. Design. Look at the alternative solutions and leading practices. Break the solutions down into manageable components. Consider all the implications. Architect a solution and a rationale. Propose. Create the compelling story as to why this will work. Define what the organization can expect to see. Be clear on the pros and cons and how you have evaluated them. Implement, test, or pilot first if possible. Plan well. Execute flawlessly. Listen, look at processes and seek feedback. Measure. Gather the data on the impacts. Don't be afraid of failure. Tweak the process. Share the results. Institutionalize the learning. Let's look at an HR consulting capability framework. Look at the given image. It shows the various roles and responsibilities that an HR consulting firm should fulfill for its clients. Pursue insight. Applying human resource expertise, understanding the business, continuous improvement, being agile. Engage the business by active engagement, influencing, and deliver value by being accountable and deliver excellence. At the same time, integrity is about capability growth and talent supply. Teamwork is about employment bond, high performance workforce, and achievement is people administration.